Well, hey, adventurers. You know, I love to do room tours for you when we get to Disney or really any hotel that we arrive at. I'd love to do a room tour because I like to let you all see what these places are to see if it's your style or your comfort level or whatever. So we're going to take a tour of our preferred studio at Saratoga Springs here at Disney World. Let me start over here. Alright guys, this is a refurbished room, newly refurbished. I can smell the paint and it just is so beautiful. So we start in this little foyer here. There's the front door and then there's a full-length mirror, which I always love a full-length mirror. And then this awesome little, very kind of equine, like barn-themed hook. Set of hooks for you, and then this is just kind of a nice spot. We have our cooler and our water over here, a nice out-of-the-way spot. Next you come to the kitchenette, which is included with all Villa Studios, and up here you have paper goods. So in a studio it's just all disposable papers and silverware. Okay, there's an ice bucket, paper towel, good size microwave, okay, toaster, beautiful coffee maker. We love these coffee makers. Coffee or jam that we brought, and pretty nice big size fridge. I think they're always about this size. Down here is just kind of space. I have to say there's not a lot of room for your groceries. Some of the newer rooms seem to have better pantries, so this is a door that's locked, and I'm not sure what that would be for. I guess maintenance and cleaning supplies. There's this wonderful little, I guess you could use this as well. This is your closet, okay? So your closet is in your kind of getting ready sink area, makeup mirror. I like these light fixtures. Are very modern. This is a big upgrade. Oh, hold on, Todd's here. So we're in the Congress Park section of Saratoga Springs, which is the closest section to Disney Springs. This is your room with your shower and toilet. We've got a tub as well, and this I really like. You know, it's a little generic. It's not super themed, but it's very nice and clean and modern and simple, not fussy, and that's kind of what you want. It does have the bulk HBAs, so it says that they've been cleaned, okay? So that's part of the enhanced cleaning. Your toilet is standard, towels. Okay, now to enter the main, and we do have some bags here. Apologize, but here's the master bed. I don't know why I called it the master bed. The main bed, the queen size, and then look at these sweet little, just black and white, simple, and then the nice padded headboard, floral but modern, you know? And then the gray, I really like the gray with the kind of marble. You've got an outlet, USB outlet. It's a nice light. Okay, there's a bench, and then it's got two drawers on the bench that pull out for storage. This mirror is lovely. I really like that little accent mirror right there. Here's some more. So plug, USB. Here's that marble countertop again. And you've actually got a lot of good sized drawers. I'm glad that Disney really considers storage, because it can be an issue sometimes. Nice size television. If you see the size of the dresser, the TV is about 3/4 of that. This is my favorite part of this room, is a ceiling fan. Sorry that it was a little overexposed, but I love ceiling fans. I can't really sleep without them. This is, oh gosh, I think it's supposed to pop up. Hope I didn't just break it. Yep. So this table pops up, so you could pull a chair up. There are no chairs. Huh. Interesting. I just noticed there's no little work area. But you could put, obviously, storage. That's storage, and then have this to eat. Although, yeah, okay. And then this couch, which is, ooh, it's just very luxe looking. You know, it's got that kind of crushed velvet look. And then here is the bed. And I'll have to insert a clip of us taking the bed down because there's a person. I don't want to squash her, but the bed comes down and this couch just completely squishes. All right, so here's the room. There's temperature control. The in addition to the lights, there's a fan control and the light in the fan, so you can do different brightness settings and different fan settings, which I absolutely adore. And there's a little bit better look at the fan. All right, let's check out our view. It's nothing too stellar. Don't get too excited.
Hey.
Hi. So it's a nice, it's actually a bus stop view. Our bus stop is right through there, which I actually kind of like because I like being close to the bus stop, so I'm okay with that.
And I guess it's Disney Springs over there.
Oh, and there is, I don't know if you can see, one of the hotels for Disney Springs is literally right there. So we are a hop, skip, and a jump away from Disney Springs. But this is just nice. It's got, I love the trees. It's kind of a nature view, I would call this.
Yes.
So that's the room. I hope you enjoyed this room tour at Disney Saratoga Springs. It's our first time staying here, and so far I'm really liking the feel and the vibe of the decor and just the whole theming of it. It's themed after Saratoga Springs, New York, right? So horses and racing and barns, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you like this video, as always, just give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. If you would consider subscribing to our channel, I would love you for it. Until next time, stay adventurous. Bye.